Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to solve the controller issue in Assassin's Creed Identity game. First of all, I will show you my controller. I am using MoCute VT, not MoCute 050 controller. You can see this, and you need to scan the QR code on the back of MoCute controller. This technique only works for MoCute controllers. If you don't have QR option, and just go through my link. This technique only works for MoCute controller. I will upload another video which works for all controllers, but that will not work as best as this. There will be some problems. Okay, you can see the page open. Click. You can see the first option, MoCute VT custom tool. Click on get. Wait for some time. You should have to download this APK. I already downloaded it. Okay, I will just connect my controller. This connecting also there will be some technique. I will just refresh it. You can see the two options, MoCute VT 050 BLE, MoCute 050X M51 HID. You should have to connect with MoCute VT 050 BLE. Okay, let's wait. You can see it was connected to MoCute VT 050 BLE, and now you should have to open the application that we have downloaded and click on open. Okay, you should see so many configurations. I have played many games with this. I will just click on my new configuration, and you can modify the name. I will put Assassin's Creed game and save it. You can see the option open float window. Just on it, you can see there will be some icon of like the DM. Now you should have to open the Assassin's Creed Identity. I am pausing video. I will resume after it opens, so my video will become too much long. So I will pause video until it opens. You can see the loading is going to complete. Let's wait. Okay, I am going to just open my game. To put the controls. With this technique you can play the game very well, but you can't control the menu screen. In the controller issue also you can't control the menu screen, but in this technique you can play the game very well. You can see the game is starting. At this time, first you should have to click on this MoCute symbol, and you will get some options. Click on L left joystick and somewhat make it some smaller, and double click on this. You will get some options. Put the sensitivity on 1. And you can see the right joystick symbol and move it to here. Let's make it some size lower, and double click on this and put the sensitivity as 1, and click this key symbol, and you will get this. And on your controller click the key what you want to set. I am setting for special power X and drag it. For the interactions and fightings, B. I will put it here. This should be somewhat here. And for running control, A. And for map, start button. all configurations were completed, you should have to click on the save button that was beside of the right joystick symbol and click on wrong. You can now just remove this VT app from recent apps. You can see I am using the controller, not the hand. If you put the sensitivity to 2 or 3, the game will be not smooth like this. You can see I am just using my controller. I can just control my walking. You can see the buttons are very nicely working. I click on B. You can see he has been jumped. I forgot to say one thing. When you click on X, you will get some power-ups like this. For this also I am going to say one trick. For this you need to open your VT tool application and this on the floating window and get back to game. For the power-ups also I am going to click some buttons. For this up button, for this down button, for this L1 button, for this one, L2 button for this power, R1 for this power, R2 for this power. Are completed. Click on save button. Okay, you can see I can also use the powers by clicking the respective buttons. I can play with my controller with very smoothly while playing. Okay, I am going to upload the video about all controllers, but there will be some problems. If you want to buy a MoCute controller, you should have to. This will not support for all MoCute controllers. I will just show you. This technique works only for some controllers, not for all. You can just see here, this tool only works for MoCute 050, MoCute 053, MoCute 054 and MoCute 056. It don't support for MoCute 057, MoCute 058 and MoCute 059. You should have to use these 4 controllers only. For all controllers trick I will do next video. Please subscribe my channel for this latest tricks. Okay, bye. I will meet you in next video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video to those who want to play the game with controllers. Okay, bye.